Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn English NCERT chapter 1st of class 5th. But before that, I want to ask you one question. Do you know waste? What is waste? If you don't know, I am going to tell you here. Waste are unwanted and unusable materials which is thrown away because it is no longer useful. But here is a lesson which tells us waste can be wonderful or useful. So let's start wonderful waste. Waste can be quite useful, so we want to find out some ideas about waste from this story. So let's start to read and explain. Once the Maharaja of Travancore ordered a grand dinner in his palace. In the afternoon before the dinner, the Maharaja entered the kitchen to survey the dishes that had been prepared for the feast. See student, this is the story of one wise king. Once there was a wise king in Travancore. Travancore nowadays known as Kerala. Once this Maharaja means this king of Travancore ordered a grand feast in his palace. Feast means a big dinner. So, in the afternoon, the Maharaja went in the kitchen to see what dishes had been prepared for the feast or for this big dinner. Let us see the next part of the story. See, in that picture, you can see the king of Travancore and the cook of the Mahal. What are you doing to do with those vegetable scraps? He asked the cook. Pointing to the basket of scraps near the cook, the cook replied, "They are waste. We will throw them away." You cannot waste all these bits and pieces of vegetables. Find a way to use them. The Maharaja commanded sternly and walked away. The cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. See student, what happened? When king reached in the kitchen, he then saw the vegetable scraps lying down there on a basket. Scraps means small pieces of something. Here small pieces of vegetables. Then he asked the cook what he was going to do with those waste of vegetable pieces. Then cook said he is going to throw it because it is the waste. On hearing this, the Maharaja commanded sternly to him. Sternly means strictly commanded to him to find a way to use it, and Maharaja went away from there. Here Maharaja strictly told to the cook, use that vegetable pieces and make something good from that waste vegetable. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, the ground some fresh coconut, green chilies and garlic together. When king went out from the kitchen, suddenly an idea flashed out in the mind of cook. And he took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them properly and cut them into long strips, put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire. He added some coconut, green chilies and garlic together in that. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in a traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. See students, an idea of cook to make wonderful dish from waste vegetables. He made a dish using all that waste ingredients and decorated it with curry leaves. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. But cook thought and he named avial to the dish. Avial is the name of that dish. So it became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in traditional Kerala feast. From this story we have learned the great moral, that is, waste can be quite useful. Now we will see new phrases of the story. In a fix means a situation hard to escape from. Second one, flash across the mind means suddenly think of. Then third one, lo and behold. Lo and behold means look, what a surprise. Fourth one, traditional feast means hearty meal for many guests served on a special occasion. Now we will see questions and answers in Reading is Fun. So let's start with first question. What were the preparations in the palace for? The answer is there were preparations for a grand feast in the palace. Now second one question. Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? The answer is the Maharaja went into the kitchen to see what dishes had been prepared for the feast. Now third one question. What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? The answer is the cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. Now we will see the next exercise of the lesson. See, ingredients are the things that are used to make a dish. Circle the ingredients of avial in the box below. From that box, you want to circle the ingredients of avial dish which was made by that cook from the wastage vegetable pieces. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the king had ordered a dinner in the palace. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Now second one, no one had heard of or tasted avial before. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Now third one, the cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. Is it true? No, it is false statement. Now next, choose 5 things that you do when you reach home from school. Write them in order. Every day when you reach at home, that time which things you do, that sequentially you want to write there. Any 5 things. You can take from this box also. First you can say, I put away school bag, then I wash up, then I change out of school uniform. After that, I have lunch, and at last you can say I read a story book or I sleep for a while. Now here is one more interesting work for you. A recipe is a list of directions to prepare a dish. The following sentences are not in order for preparing avial. Number them in the correct order. It means following sentences are the recipe of the avial dish, and we want to put all the sentences in the proper order. So let's start with the first sentence. First, wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Then second number, cut the vegetable scraps into long strips. Then third one, grind some coconut, green chilies and garlic. Now fourth one, whip some curd and mix it in. Now fifth one, pour some coconut oil on top. And sixth one, decorate with curry leaves. And last one, avial is ready. Now here you want to find out some names of the dishes. Name food that is made in your home. For a feast or festival, which food is made in your home? And if you are not feeling well, when you are unwell, that time which dishes mummy is making? And every day which food is made in your home? That all the dishes names list you want to make in the notebook. Now here is one more exercise for you. Make new words by adding or dropping a few letters from the root words. Some are done for you here. Now, which are the root words? Try, large, new, tasty, wise, stare are the root words. To that root words, you want to add ed, ing or er or est, or you want to drop some letters from it and make new word. See, in answer many words I have done here for you. You want to see that properly and write this chart in the notebook. On the place of cross, we cannot make another word from given root word by using given letters. So I have left there cross. In this table, verbs and adjectives both are given here. For example, try is verb. So by using ed, we can convert it into the past, and by using ing letters, we can convert it into the present participle. And now we will take another example of adjective. Large is adjective and large is positive degree. So this positive degree, by using er, we can convert into comparative degree, that is larger, and by using est we can make superlative degree word largest. Now see third one example, tasty. Tasty is verb and adjective both. So see, tasty, tasted, tasting, tastier and tastiest. I hope you have understood the lesson. For better understanding, you can read this lesson and write exercise in notebook. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe our channel.